Hi, if you are always running behind time, if you are always doing work in the 12th hour, and if you are always managing your work, managing your time somehow, now is the time to create time for yourself. Hi, my name is Alok and I have learned to create time for myself over a practice of around 20 years, and today I have sufficient time to spend family get-togethers, doing batch meets with my school friends, college friends and what not. This has given me immense power to enjoy my life. मैं समय नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैंने समय को बहुत करीब से देखा है। मैंने पल में जीवन और पल में मृत्यु को भी देखा है, और इस पल की, किसी भी पल की कीमत आंखें नहीं जा सकती, क्योंकि आप कितने भी अमीर क्यों ना हो, आप समय को नहीं खरीद सकते, लेकिन हम समय बना सकते हैं। Yes, we can create time for ourselves. Hi, my name is Alok and I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MD, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster and a business enthusiast for the last around 20 years, and I'm here giving you a guide, some tips and formulas to create time for yourself. Believe me, time is the most essential and most costly asset in your life, right? And you know what? Each and every moment lost is a future misfortune. So I don't want to get into that, and I am ready to give you the formulas, the tips, the guidelines to implement, which is very easy, and to be happier in your life and get a time abundant life, which I call in my language. So click in here and download this free templates, free videos, whatever I'm providing to you, and be happier in life. The ultimate objective is to create time for yourself and become happier in life.